Today in the Slumber Yard, we're going to be going over some options to help out with sciatica and lower back pain. So if you suffer from a chronic health condition like this, you probably do want to consult with your doctor before you make a pretty big life decision like changing up your bed. But you can rest easy knowing that there are some suitable options out there for you. So in this list, we're going to cover 5. And since this is a best list, I'm going to be going rather quickly through all these picks. So if you need any more information about them, hit the description box for plenty of other stuff to peruse. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. We really appreciate your support, but now let's roll that intro.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Okay, so right up top, I do want to mention that we did receive all of these beds for free from their respective brands to review. And in terms of policies, I'm only going to mention the bare minimum stuff that should apply to them all, and it should be listed on screen here for you. So you should be getting completely free shipping. In most cases, it's bed-in-a-box shipping with these beds. At least a 100-night trial period to test them all out at home for yourself before you're stuck with them. Free returns are available within that time frame, and all these beds are backed by at least a standard 10-year warranty. Again, many go above and beyond these policy standards, but that's just the baseline stuff. But kicking off this best list is our first mattress pick, which is going to be the Casper Wave Hybrid. This is probably one of the most accommodating hybrid beds within the online space for overall pain relief. This is currently the most premium hybrid offering from the brand Casper, and it features a really soft, accommodating, neutral hybrid feel that pretty much 9 out of 10 sleepers I can see getting down with. Unless you're looking for something like a dense memory foam option or a super responsive latex mattress, this isn't that, but if you're looking for something that's just a general safe pick, Casper Wave is A-okay. It's also right around a medium in terms of firmness, which is great for all sleeping positions, whether you like to sleep on your back, your side, your stomach, or a combination of all three. You should be pretty much set. And if you don't really know what type of firmness you really prefer, a medium option is always a safe way to go as well. The main thing about this bed in regards to sciatica and lower back pain has to do with its zone support construction. So it has something called Zone Support Max, where the middle of the bed is intended to be a little bit firmer than the head and foot sections. And this type of design is intended to help keep your back more neutrally aligned on a nightly basis. Now, many of the other Casper mattresses have this type of zone support design, but the Casper Wave goes above and beyond. It even has some cutouts within the foam and includes these gel pods for even more targeted support for your back. And this could be really beneficial and helpful for chronic pain. Now, in terms of price, it is going to be up there since this is Casper's most premium hybrid offering. A queen size currently retails for just shy of the $2,900 mark. Ouch, that's quite the price point for a hybrid bed. But Casper as a brand usually likes to offer some nice promotions around major holidays. So check down below in the description box to see whatever we've got for you in terms of saving you money. Now, from the Casper Wave Hybrid, we move into a really unique feeling hybrid option, and it's actually a brand new one from Purple. This is their Restore Hybrid. This is a newer hybrid option from the brand. This bed is intended to pretty much replace the old Purple Hybrid, and it features coils on the bottom for support, and it actually uses a proprietary material on top known as the Gel Flex Grid for comfort. And if you're new to Purple, this is pretty much their secret sauce. It's basically a gel-like material that's laid out in a grid format across the top of an entire mattress. It's really stretchy and springy, and it somehow manages to feel soft and firm at the same time. It's pretty crazy stuff. It adds up to give the Purple Restore Hybrid a really unique feel. When you lay down on your back, you kind of feel weightless, and when you switch to your side, it provides a lot of give for your shoulders and hips. So it has kind of a nice combination of feels, and it's really adaptive. And this could be especially beneficial for sciatica or lower back pain. You've got 2 firmness levels to choose from with the Restore Hybrid, a firm and a soft. We have their firm over here at the Slumber Yard. It's right around a proper medium firm on our scale, so should work fine for all sleeper types, but probably going to be best for strict back and stomach sleeping. And if you do have some lower back pain, you'll likely prefer more support rather than pressure relief, just because you want your back supported at night, and this option should work great for that. Also, if you're a bit of a hot sleeper, the Gel Flex Grid within all the Purple beds is a really nice material for airflow. It helps to circulate airflow way more than your more average type of foam, but we would still classify it to be a temperature neutral sleeping bed, just might have a slight edge for hot sleepers. In terms of price, a queen size currently retails for right around the $2,300 mark. Purple is another one of those brands that likes to offer pretty nice promotions around major holidays and times of the year like that. So again, check the description box for whatever we can find for you. Next up is the Nolah Evolution Comfort Plus mattress. This is a newer hybrid pillow top offering from Nolah that's designed to support especially heavier people, and it could also benefit those who have chronic pain at night. The coils in this mattress should offer your back plenty of nightly support and kind of prop you up because it is designed to support a lot of weight at night. And on top, it features a really standard pillow top feel. It just feels like a really quality hotel mattress or something like that. I think you're gonna hop on this mattress and find it to be really accommodating and super quality and nice. This is a bed that you're gonna hop on and probably find it to be comfortable comfortable, or at least not uncomfortable. In terms of firmness, it's also right around a medium on our scale, so it's gonna work out great for all sleeper types, backside, stomach, and combination. And the coils on this bed also have a zone support construction, so should help keep your back more aligned at night, and they're also reinforced along the edges to provide the bed with some really sturdy edge support. If you're into pillow top beds, I think this is gonna be a really accommodating option for sciatica and lower back pain, just based on that zone support design of the coils used within the bed. And in terms of pricing, it's not a half bad either, especially after discount. After you apply one, I think you're gonna be paying right over the $1,600 mark for a queen size. And again, check the description box. We should have something linked down there for you. Now, those last three were hybrid beds, but if you're looking for more of an all foam pick with more of a memory foam feel, maybe check out Nectar in regards to sciatica and lower back pain. This is a really popular dense memory foam option that is on the firmer side. It features a really dense, slow to respond memory foam feel that conforms to your body's shape, which could help out with alleviating chronic pain. If you're the type of sleeper who likes to hang out in one main solitary position throughout the night, this could be the right mattress for you. But if you're more of a combination sleeper who likes to rotate around at night, you might want to look elsewhere. But when it comes to sciatica and lower back pain, that dense memory foam quality could be beneficial for you. In terms of firmness, the Nectar mattress is right around a proper medium firm on our scale. So again, should work fine for all sleeper types, best for back and stomach though. Usually back and stomach sleepers ultimately prefer firmer options just because they provide a little bit more support rather than pressure relief for their sleeping situation. But if you do want a softer version of the Nectar mattress, they offer two others that we will try to link down below in the description box. Nectar backs all of their beds with great policy stuff. Their beds are backed by forever warranties, and you get 365 nights to try it out at home for yourself, so an entire year before you're stuck with it. It's also really affordable, especially compared to the past three beds that I've mentioned. A queen size retails for right around the $1,100 mark, but after discount, you should be paying right around $700 flat, which is a great value for a memory foam bed like this. Again, check the description box. We should have some sort of discount related with Nectar linked down there for you to save you the most amount of money possible. Now, if you're not into memory foam and you'd prefer actually more of a natural and organic pick with a latex foam feel, for this list, I'd probably recommend that you check out the Plank Firm Natural. This is the newest latex hybrid bed from the brand Plank, which offers 3 flippable mattresses that are also on the firmer end of the spectrum. The Plank Natural uses coils for support, so it should be able to handle all body types right off the bat, and it also features Talalay latex foam for its main comfort layer on either side. So both sides are going to feature a really responsive latex foam feel. There are some additional comfort elements mixed in with the organic cotton and wool, but overall it's just going to be a really springy and responsive style of mattress. Both sides are going to be on the firmer end of the spectrum. One is around a medium firm and the other is right in between a medium and a medium firm. So you get a little variance in terms of firmness with this mattress to kind of experiment with to help accommodate your sciatica and lower back pain. The Plank Firm Natural is also backed by some ecological certifications, mainly the Global Organic Textile Standard for that cotton and wool in there. And price-wise, it's not half bad when you consider the level of quality put into this bed. It's right around $1,600 after discount for the queen size. And again, we should have a discount code with this bed linked down below in the description, and that goes for all of the other beds in this video. If you want to save some money on them, check down there. But that's pretty much going to sum it up for our new and improved thoughts on the best beds for sciatica and lower back pain. Hopefully you guys got something out of this video and we kind of pointed you in the right direction. If that's the case, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up on this video, and you can always subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. Again, tons of stuff to check out down there. And if you need any more information about any of the beds that I went over, check down there as well for our full written reviews and a lot of other stuff. But that's pretty much going to do it for this one. I'm JD. Hopefully you're doing well today. And like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.
You've been watching my Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. Slumber Yard. Come on now. My Slumber Yard. Like and subscribe.